I've been every cove, every road. And it seems so small now, a huge island. I could put every little picture in my head on Newfoundland. What I did in my lifetime is this is amazing when you look at it. You know, I did about more than 8,000 paintings now. One every day, 2 a day sometime. Never realized it's going to be like that. This is a diary, is what it is. It's my diary. I write with colors. This is what the most important thing is the next day, the next morning. This is where the painting is what I call the 5 last minutes. You know, when you walk during the outside, yesterday was in the end it was pretty windy, so detail was not possible, okay? This is amazing. Everything you look is different there.
You've got a beautiful job done on that painting. Yeah.
I do that every day, see?
Yeah, that's your livelihood, is it? Your
It's
painting?
my livelihood, yes.
Yeah, right on, yeah.
I'm pleased about painting today. I did walk very fast, and then I'm very pleased with it. I was just a beginner those days.
And we have some fabulous weather here in Newfoundland. I mean, I think it's 4 degrees Celsius out there now. Feels like 1, so it's almost freezing, right? So, but it's
Now don't say bad thing about Newfoundland.
Jean Claude's name was quite famous here. I mean, he's painted, I don't know, Gary, if you realize, but he's actually painted 800 communities in Newfoundland.
Beautiful so far. I have to mix a bit of mess. Done. Now I got to wash my new jean. I got paint on it. And, you know, when I wake up in the morning, I wake up very early, sometimes 5 o'clock, and my head is like a Google map. I'm on the road already. So that's freedom, okay? You know, leave the town. I get to feel, I get to smell, I get to fight the element to paint. You know, you get to struggle. You just have to look to find it. Find the beauty. You could paint for 100 years. They always find something. And when you look close, is where you see, when you look at your feet. You move 5 feet, you got a completely different painting. There's not a straight line in my painting. I always say that straight line is an invention of man. They don't exist in the nature. Even the horizon is straight. I say that all the time. How are you? Very good.
You found a good spot to get a paint anyway.
Oh,
Get a picture.
I don't know if it's a good spot. There's a few flies coming in now.
Well, you should have been here yesterday. The flies were clouds.
Oh yeah? It was warm yesterday?
Pardon me?
Was it warm?
No, the wind was the same way it is now, but
Okay.
once the wind died down a bit, the clouds.
Oh, yeah.
The flies come in. And
Yeah, it's a long time since you had fresh meat. Yeah, and sometimes I'm surprised of what the people say. Sometimes they say, you know, why you do that? Why is that roof is curved like that? Look, it's straight. Lots of people want to see the nature exactly as it is. They don't want, you know, they don't realize you can do what you want with it. I think the majority of people are like that. They want realism, really realism. As soon as you get out of the realism, just they don't understand it sometimes. No, really, what I need is few tube of paint and the paintbrush and a bit of time and you know. Yeah, so it's all I need all my life actually. You know.